I'm Ari, and I'm going to be making candle holders. These are going to be for my party in a few months, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first we need our piece of wood, and we're going to mark the center approximately. This is just to have a guide of when we go ahead and cut it. What we're going to use to cut it is a CNC from my dad. And the program that I'm going to be using is Mark III. So we're going to hold it down with these holders. We're going to put it on tightly and on the edges over here, on the very edge, so it doesn't cut the holders. We have it all securely tightly. And this is so the piece of wood doesn't go flying in. It makes a mess. So now we're going to grab the keyboard and we're going to put the CNC in zeros or in home. So it cuts right in the middle. It's approximately, doesn't have to be perfect like I said before. And then we're going to put it down, almost touching the wood, and we're going to put the coordinates at 0. Afterwards, we're going to pick it up, put it up so we can put the dust. So we put it on, it's being held by magnets, and we put this in so it collects the dust. Wait, afterwards, you start the machines, safety first. So we take these off, dust it off, and it's our finished piece. Cute little candle.